All right, today is Tuesday. Our Eagle Eye training will be covering how to create service instructions for ongoing, and expiring jobs in the Customer Center and where we can see them in Route Builder and on the route sheet as well. So after you've created a job, you go into the service instructions. And to make sure that you don't get this confused with notes. Notes are for internal use. Service instructions are for your operators to see on the route sheets. You have 10 lines of normal instructions. These will wrap, so if they go longer, you'd be able to see more of the instructions on the route sheet, but you have 10 different instruction lines. Then you have expiring instructions, and those are down here with a date. So this date will show the expiring instructions until that date occurs. You want to make sure that you understand the difference, such as if you're doing a parking lot and the general manager is going to be there this weekend and you need to make sure it's extra clean, you can put the date for this weekend. So we'll go a week from today, and we'll change this to 12/18/18. Make extra clean, which can be different than flow, front of entrance, and including one on the side. We'll save that. So then adds the instructions and expiring instructions. Then let's go take a look. This job goes on Mondays and Fridays, and currently is on the schedule. So the expiring instructions will show for Friday and Monday, but won't show on the 21st. So now if we want to go look at that, we'll go look at Friday's Route Builder. And that is the 14th. Now if we had forgotten that this route was on OR02, from Chrome you just do the Control F and you just start typing in the job and it will find it for you. We can see here that there are instructions because there is a box, and then we'll see an exclamation point, so that means that there are expiring instructions also. If by chance you want all your instructions to be defaulted, that's from the admin section, and you can make the route sheets, the route instructions unchecked or checked from the admin section. In this case, we have them unchecked. So if I wanted to show all the instructions for the route, I click up at the top. If I just want to choose the instructions, I can click them here. And now if I go look at OR02 and select View Mobile Route, then we can see our instructions are here and our expiring instructions are here. Then if we want to go again, this is also done on Monday. So if we go to Monday's date, again, if we had forgotten what route it was on, you just type in Control F and then type the route, and we'll see that it's here. Check the checkbox, go select OR02, View Mobile Route. So this is for Monday's route. We're going to see that they're there again, right there, right? Now, If I didn't have that checked, so if I unchecked it and then clicked View Mobile Route, we're only going to see the expiring instructions right here. So that's the difference on those. Now we're going to go look ahead. These were to expire on the 18th. We go to the 21st. On the 21st again, we're going to go look for the job. There it is. We can see here there is no exclamation point. So there are no expiring instructions. I'm going to check the box here. And then we'll go take a look at the mobile route again. And then we can see that it's only the instructions. If we needed to add some instructions on, so if we're in Route Builder and we're saying, wow, I just took this call, I need to add some expiring instructions. And let's use the Aldi Foods here. You can right-click on the job, go to Job Center, so you can either add instructions right here, test instructions, save edits, exit, go view OR02. We can see that the instructions are there. Or if we need to go all the way back, so I'm going to go back into this one and I'm going to delete these off because those will override. I'm going to go to the Job Center. I'll say, no, I actually really want these on all the time. Save. Then we're going to come back and we're going to refresh. Now we can see that there is a box there for instructions where there was not before. Now there's a box to click. And again, if I had defaulted, it would have already been chosen. In this case, I'll choose it. Go look at OR02, mobile route, and we're going to see those instructions shown. Putting on instructions is very easy and very helpful for your operators to ensure that you get the right information. It may not necessarily be operational. It may be who to sign, maybe for service verification if they do not allow eagle-eye service verification. So these instructions can be very valuable and help to be more efficient for your operators. So again, we talked about adding in instructions from the Job Center. We talked about the instructions versus the expiring instructions. Then we went to Route Builder and we could see which jobs had instructions versus ones that did not, which ones that have expiring instructions because they've got the red exclamation point versus other ones that do not have expiring instructions. We looked at adding on instructions by right-clicking on the job and adding them in. Save. And then we also looked at adding instructions by right-clicking and going to the Job Center if we want it to be permanent. Then you can go add them in the service instructions under the Job Center. That will conclude today's training. If you have any questions, always feel free to email support@eagleeyetracking.com or feel free to give us a call at 1-855-EE-TRACK or 419-464-0134. Have a great day.